It is a beautiful day to griddle up some pancakes, so we're gonna go outside and get to griddling. So it is time to make the pancakes. Now, pancakes are just a few ingredients, super simple to make, so we thought instead of just, throwing things in there, we would see if I could make pancakes with somebody else's hands. So here we go. The first thing that we need, is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Now the flour is over here. Okay, good, gotta measure. Oh my God. So first you add 1 cup flour into the bowl. Okay. We need 2 tablespoons of sugar. I don't think this is working very well. Okay. Scratch that. Get out, get out. Obviously, using your own hands is way better than using someone else's hands. Okay. So 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder. Teaspoon salt. 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon, which I'm just gonna eyeball. This is actually pie spice. Has like nutmeg, smells good, yummy, yummy. 1.5 cup of milk. 1.5 cup milk. Thank you, sir.
2 tablespoons melted butter, cooled down. Really need much.
There we go.
Stir it.
Teaspoon vanilla. Whisk it, baby. Whisk it good.
Medium setting. Sweet. Do some small ones. Feel like we got good air bubbles that were popping.
Those look amazing.
Quick. Alright.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
Quick. Alright.
You
This
did
one's
it.
got it right now. Alright, we got 2 guys there.
Yum. Oh, I can't wait. Looks so good. Yum. Okay, we need that drizzle. Yum. Oh, it's so fluffy. Yum. I need this. I need this. I need this.